Welcome to the 16th iteration of Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology's annual Scientific, Technological and Industrialization Conference. The conference has been held annually since 2005, with the exception of 2009 when the university hosted the 6th conference of the Global Consortium of Higher Education and Research for Agriculture. Participants are drawn from various Kenyan universities and from regional and international partners. Benefits of attending the conference include networking with academia on topics of societal importance, opportunity for industry and policymakers to interact with researchers and view new innovations from research and industry. The theme of the conference is Refocusing Research, Innovation and Entrepreneurship for Excellence in Higher Education in the Era of COVID-19. The conference is a hybrid event comprising of a virtual conference organized around 7 sub-themes covering JKUAT's academic offerings and a physical and virtual exhibition by industry and innovators running throughout the conference period. There will be a plenary session each morning where 2 keynote speakers will give a lecture on thematic areas of concern to the society.
I wish to welcome you all to the exhibition where you will be able to see some of the things that we will showcase. Karibuni sana, and I hope you will enjoy yourselves.